Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Hyundai Accent. Park both cars close but not touching, engines off, and set parking brakes. Attach red clamp to dead battery positive, then red to donor positive. Attach black clamp to donor negative, then black to grounded metal on dead car. Start donor, wait 2 minutes, then start Accent. Remove clamps in reverse order and let engine run for at least 10 minutes to recharge the battery. Before you begin, always prioritize safety and stay calm while working with batteries. Keep hands and tools away from moving engine parts and wear protective eyewear. Double-check clamp polarity, so red goes to positive and black to negative or grounded metal. If you smell strong sulfur or see leaking acid, stop immediately and seek professional help. Follow each step methodically and call for assistance if anything seems wrong or unsafe. If you are enjoying this guide, please like and subscribe so more helpful videos come your way. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting for roadside service more pleasant with its glare-free display and long battery life, so you can relax with a book while the car charges. I find it handy in the glove box for unexpected downtime. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once the Accent starts, keep it running to allow the alternator to recharge the battery. Avoid turning off electrical accessories immediately and gently increase engine RPM if needed to stabilize charging. If the car struggles to restart later, the battery or alternator likely needs service. Schedule a battery and charging system test with a mechanic or auto parts store to confirm condition and avoid being stranded again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.